This is Peter Doughton from Fairmount Charles, and I am going to show you a quick demo of Live Assist so you can know what its functionality is. A lot of people contact us about doing an install for Live Assist, but they don't really know how to demo the solution or what it can really give to them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the customer side, which you're seeing here now with two browsers. Actually, it's the same as Chrome, but one is a regular browser and the other one is in incognito. And you see here, hey, how you doing? This is me. And if you see me looking up, some people mention that I have a big screen here, but the camera is on the laptop, so I apologize if it can be discerning. But also, I'm flipping. If I flip back and forth between the two, just want you to know that the blue bar here is, or white bar up here, is the consumer side, and anything here in the incognito, where you can see a little hat there in the corner, a little guy in the glasses, a spy guy, is the agent console. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a call, and to place a call I go up here to the assist. You can see the little finger changes to a pointer. When I click on that, it allows me to share. You can see here with the dialog box, share my screen with the support agent, but I am going to call and share. If I was already on a call and want to share, then I could do what's called a short code, which is part of the demo I'm going to show you, but I'll talk about that in a second. So when I call and I click on this and call, you can't hear it, but there's a ringing, and I click on accept. So when I accept,
You'll see there's going to be two of me.
and the reason why I'm doing it because I'm doing it in the same box. So what I'm going to do is mute because I hear an echo in my ear, and it gets really discerning. So now I've got it. So you can see here that I've muted the agent side, but you can see here that the customer side is showing up. I'm sorry, I muted the customer side, and the agent side is still showing up. So what we're seeing here is, let me draw attention to these anchor box. That's Supervisor Assist does that, and you see the little green here, the signal quality indicator. That means we get a really good connection between us and the Live Assist server, wherever that server may lay. So I'm going to be over here most of the time for this demo in the agent side, but I will ask for screen sharing, and it's going to flip over to the customer side. When I click on OK, then notice something happened over there. All right, what happened there? Well, I'm actually seeing the consumer side. So this is called co-browse. When I do co-browse, I still have voice and video going on. I'm still talking with the end customer, but I have a session up where I am sharing the screen. So when I do that, I get these tools up here. So this is called highlight. When I click on here, you can see I'm highlighting on the remote part. So I click on that, and you can see that it gives a little bullseye and it puts it up. This is annotate. And the reason why I'm doing this, you can see I'm annotating on my screen and it's showing up on the customer screen. If I did over here, I'd have to flip. So if I click over here quickly, you can see, oh, there it is. I'm going to also do highlights. You can have a highlighter, so you can highlight passages and some text if you're part of the script for the agent, or if the support person wants to highlight something on the screen to draw the customer's eyes to it. You can. If that's confusing, you can click on that and clear all the annotations. I'm going to also do what's called document share. It's really, document share is not really, I'm sharing the document, but I'm just only showing a picture of it. So when I take a look at this, I requested this document, and it comes up and asks me what, on the consumer side, the agent would like to send a document. I'm not really sending it. I'm just going to share a version of it. So now we see a picture of Boston that I'm pushing, and I'm seeing it here, so I can discuss this with the customer. I could also do another document, like say for instance I wanted to push out some kind of PDF to talk to the customer about it. So it goes and renders the PDF, and you can see here that on the that's on the customer side again. And I look here on the agent side. All right, I can go down and control this. I can move it around, and both sides will see it. Go back. That's the customer side. This is the agent side, and I can do, like, I could highlight passages just like I could on the screen, right? If I take a look on the customer side, it's highlight. And if I want to, I can get rid of the documents, cleared the screens. There is also too, if I take a look at this, let's take a look at the portal. So what I have here is a co-browse session. So I actually pushed it from my end to the customer end, and I could talk to them about this. This is this is will allow you to do, go to certain areas on the website that you want to have enabled, and it's 2 lines of code, 2 lines of JavaScript code for this, and that way you have both your end and the customer end are synced up. Now let's hopefully see if I got a form pop up here. No, I don't have a form. Maybe I do here. Oh, when I do that, yes, I have a contact form. Nope. Test area. Let's see. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Notice these text box popped up. And you see the form editor popped up. This will allow me to go through and fill out the form for the customer. If I click on form editor, I can do test input and test, and when I push to populate the form, you see it pushes over on this side. But also look, if I go back to the form again, that is all put in there. So that will allow you to, if you have form fields in your website, allow the agent to be able to go through and fill out the form. So that's a quick demonstration of Live Assist, and I might be doing other ones, but hopefully that it illustrated some points. And if you need to, we can give a live version of this, a live demo of this, and we can also, you could refer to this to look up on some small points. Anyways, hope you have a good one. Take care.